Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is going to be a good day. We're doing a Keto Brick launch today. Today is Sunday, but we're also going to be trying a new dieting strategy, that OMAD approach that I put in yesterday's video. But first, I need to shave. I just felt my beard. I need to shave. So I have this Keto Coach ketone tester that I picked up at the Metabolic Health Summit. And if you recall that video, they individually wrap each testing strip similar to that of Precision Extra. So supposedly it makes these more accurate. And I did a test earlier this morning, and Crystal did a test earlier this morning on both devices, the Keto Mojo and the Keto Coach. And I'm going to retest right now in front of y'all so you can kind of see some of the differences. I had a bunch of vegetables last night, so I anticipated a slightly lower blood ketone reading, but this is interesting, y'all. Check this out. All right. So this one is 0.2 on the Keto Coach. That one is 0.2. And then this is the Keto Mojo. So 0.2, not looking too good there. This one is 0.9. These are all over the board, honestly. A minute ago I tested it was 1.2. So this one was 0.2, this one was 1.2. Now it's 0.9. Crystal, you tested and you were...
I was 0.8.
0.8 on this one.
And 1.6.
And then 1.6 on the Keto Mojo.
So I want to retest mine. See if mine read the same.
Yeah, so let me just go ahead and test blood glucose real quick just to see. I'm curious to see if there's any, if it's low, if it's high. 3, 2, 1, and 91 on the blood glucose with the Mojo. This one does not test blood glucose. But it is interesting to see such a huge variation. I mean, earlier when I tested it was 0.2 and 1.2. Like, that's pretty opposite ends of the spectrum there. I typically have pretty low ketones anyways because I've been adapted for as long as I have, unless I'm eating like a bunch of, MCT oil or something. But pretty interesting, y'all. All right, we're going to head to the grocery store. See you there. Crystal's testing hers again on the Mojo. What were you last time? You said 0.8?
1.6 on the Keto Mojo.
1.6.
I'm going to be that gross person.
What we got?
1.0. This
1.0.
thing, I don't think this is accurate.
So it's all over the board.
Literally, like, within 10 minutes, it was 1.6 and now it's 1.0.
Interesting.
That's crazy.
All right, y'all, let's go take a look at the crew real quick. Actually, it's Sunday, so our crew isn't here, but we do have 2 members of the crew here because we have a lot of labeling to sign. All right, so all those that were not labeled 1,000, they've handwritten on that many of them. They have that many more to go. Woo!
I made a video on my store and I was like, I wrote on there, so don't mind my eyeliner from yesterday.
Bridget hated the idea of being on camera. She hated the idea of being on camera.
She did.
What's it got going on here?
Man, just 1,000.
1,000?
That's all I know.
Show me what you got, man. Show me your expertise real quick. Demonstrate.
Ooh.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Hold on,
1,000.
let me show you a little bit.
Give me some in action, man. I want an action shot. Give me an action shot. Boom. You love it?
I love it.
Keto Brick launch today. You ready?
Yes.
All right, so remember at the Metabolic Health Summit, Danny, myself, and Jonathan were riding around on those scooters. Well, check it out. I don't know if you can see those. Very faintly right there are scooters. We're cool enough in Little Rock, Arkansas now to have scooters. How cool is that? What you doing, baby?
Give me a coffee.
You get coffee. Starbucks. Get your morning fix?
Yes. Thank you.
All right, where we at, baby?
Whole Foods.
Whole Foods. Let's get some groceries.
How much are you going to have a day?
A cup a day.
20 ounces?
I don't know, just grab a bunch. Broccoli. Brussels sprouts.
How many
All these veggies. What's there? Collard greens. Nutrients. Powerhouse. Alright, y'all, so I'm also going to do a cup of mushrooms today. I don't really know which mushroom strain is the best. So I'm gonna try a couple of different ones. We have like this specialty trio blend. I'm gonna get that. We have baby bellas. I'm gonna get some of those. And then we have these whole oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna get some of those. And what's the other good one, babe?
White ones.
White ones. Just like an organic whole mushroom. Sure, we'll get some of those too. Which cheese should we get, babe?
Do you want?
We're getting a variety pack here. What are we gonna get, baby?
We're gonna get. I'm not gonna try and pronounce that, but it's a soft goat cheese.
Bouchered. Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah. We're also gonna get this one. It's a little bit softer, but no flavoring. There is some with herbs. You want the herb one?
Yeah, get the herb one too.
Oh, this one's pepper. You want pepper? There you go.
All right.
And you want a midnight moon?
Midnight Moon for the win.
Get the biggest slice they got.
We're gonna do 2 ounces a day.
I'm gonna only do one.
All right, y'all. I'm certainly not a wino by any means, but Crystal and I have really been digging this Fit Vine wine. We'll do like just a very small glass in the evenings, and I don't know. I actually have really been enjoying it. You, babe?
Super enjoying it. I am a wine-o.
Wino. But the cab is really good. What'd you get, babe?
I got 3 pounds of the 85-15 grass-fed ground beef.
All right. We also got some olive oil. Boom.
Boom.
All right, y'all, I'm gonna do a little experiment here. In light of those ketone testers being so different, I'm going to take what little ketone esters I have left, and then I'll test with both strips in the next like 15 minutes or so. I don't know how much of this ester I have left, so I don't know how much of a bump we're gonna get. That's actually pretty good. So we've got an entire serving of 65 mils, or 45 mils, 45 mils. So this much ester should create a pretty significant bump. I don't know what's like floating around in there. A pretty significant bump in my ketones. So I'll take this, I'll test in like 15 or 20 minutes, and then they both should register a pretty significant jump. So bottoms up. Woo! All right. I'm going to test in just a few minutes here, and we'll see which ones change the most. All right, so confession, I got busy working on the computer in preparation for this brick launch. That it's been an hour instead of 20 minutes, but it should still be pretty elevated, so let's test right now. All right, so this one says 2.5 on the Keto Coach meter, and let's see what the Keto Mojo says. So 2.5, that's a pretty big bump from what it was with the ester, and the Keto Mojo is 4.5. 4.5 and 2.5. I'm gonna get a picture of that. It's crazy. So it just goes to show. That goes to show there's a huge variation between the two different meters, 2.5 and 4.5. That's a 2 millimolar difference. I honestly don't even know what to think about that. The Keto Coach is all brand new. They're individually sealed. The Keto Mojo, these strips are older, but they're still not said to expire until 2020. So I shouldn't have to worry about these strips. So I honestly don't know what's going on there. It's pretty interesting. I am intrigued and very curious as to what's going on and which is more accurate. What is going on, everybody? What?
Sorry, I look like a hot mess is what I was about to say.
What is going on? We just launched the Keto Bricks. It's been about 30 minutes, and believe it or not, the cookies and cream has already sold out. That is definitely the hot item right now. We launched more bricks than we'd ever launched. I didn't honestly not anticipate a sellout of any of the flavors yet. So
yeah, at all. Like we thought this would kind of help us get the site stocked.
Yeah, But there's still plenty of mocha. There's still some cinnamon. We're gonna work on this, y'all. I know y'all probably like, oh my gosh, Robert, get it together. You suck. We're working on it, I promise.
Every single month, we're getting better and better and doing more and more.
Yeah. So I'm probably going to make a video announcement tomorrow that is going to illustrate some changes that we're going to make. So yeah, get ready for that. Should I make that tomorrow? We're kind of working on some things behind the scenes right now, so get ready for that. But there's going to be more info there to follow. If you got a brick, huge thanks.
Yeah, thank you so much.
If you didn't get a brick and you're trying to get a brick and they're sold out, I promise,
we're doing everything we can.
we are doing everything we can. Like, I promise you that. From deep down inside my heart there, I promise you that. Just be patient with us and rest assured that we're going to get you taken care of. We love you. We love you all.
We do.
Today is going to be pretty cool. I got to write a blog post right now for Deeper State Keto. And then we're going to work out. My neck feels a little bit better, so I'm going to try and do a chest workout. And then I'm going to get a shower after that. And then Bridget and Corey, who's writing 1,000 on 60,000 of those bags.
Spending their weekend writing 1,000 on each bag.
Yeah, they're going to join us for dinner tonight. So we're going to cook up a good meal for everybody. So it's going to be low-key, relaxing, and very enjoyable. So stay tuned for that as well. See you in a bit. What is going on, everybody? It is time to train chest and shoulders. Here we go, jamming that to some Eminem. Let's do it. What are you feeling? Are you feeling it?
Still feeling
Woo! Yeah, buddy. All right, y'all. We just finished the workout. We did chest. I didn't do shoulders today like we normally would because of my neck. I feel like that'd be too much for strain on my neck. But I'm starting to get a lot more mobility now, so hopefully by tomorrow's leg day, I'll be ready to rumble. We're gonna go get a shower and we're gonna go start cooking dinner for ourselves and for Corey and his fiance, Bridget. All right, y'all, we just got done at the shower and we are headed into Edwards to grab some charcoal. We're gonna grill some steaks tonight. You excited, baby?
Yeah, I am really excited. It's been a while since I've had steak.
Yeah, I'm hungry, y'all. I haven't eaten at all today. Kingsford and a lighter. Good to go. There's a tricep.
Really?
Alright, y'all, so we got a little shindig going on. About to throw some steaks on the grill. Check out these beauties. Look at that. Look at that. Excited?
So excited.
So excited? Alright, y'all, so we are cooking. We're doing the 1 meal a day approach right now. Bridget has not been the vlog yet. That's Bridget. So we have the big old pot of veggies. How's that skillet working? Good?
So far, so good.
So far, so good. Are we gonna do garlic in there, or no garlic? Alright, so cooked veggies. We got our steaks. And we got some goat cheese. And we gotta finish our steak here because our grill's out of heat. Alright, y'all, the day is done. We are about to, well, not quite done. Crystal and I have stuff to sign about 1,000 of these signature cards. So we're going to do that so that every one of these packages can have a hand-signed card from us. Today was a perfect day. And I'm probably going to make a video on this topic specifically later this week. But, I mean, days like today make every hardship, every sacrifice, everything worth it. I mean, had a great time with Crystal. We had when you got coffee this morning, we went grocery shopping. Talked to my mom, talked to my brother, talked to my dad. I had a great workout. And then we sold out of the Keto Bricks. And it just really drove home the point that what we're doing is working to some extent. Like, we have so much support from this keto community. I honestly can't even begin to put it into words. You know, like I'm just overwhelmed with gratitude today. And like I said, I want to make a video specific on this topic and dive deeper into it. So stay tuned for that. But just know that I'm happy. Like Corey was here. We had dinner with him and Bridget. He and I were talking as the steaks were cooking. and he's totally turned his life around. Like, I'm incredibly proud of him. I'll probably let him share his story on the vlog or something at some point. But he's totally 180 degrees shifted his life, and I'm incredibly proud of him. And I was telling him, you know, the main thing that you got to do in life and business and anything of that nature is just to give more value than you take. You got to give, and everything will come around. And I'm looking at my life now. I'm looking at today and how today played out. And I look at how blessed we are, and I look at the keto community as a whole and where we fit into it. And I honestly don't even have the words, y'all. Like, I'm just incredibly grateful and blessed and just thankful that we have an audience, we have the opportunities that we do, and we have the opportunity to make a difference and connect with every single one of y'all. And the fact that y'all give us your time, watch these videos, listen to my podcast, buy the bricks, and just like share positive words. I mean, those, I don't even have the words, y'all. Like, I truly do thank you. I thank you with everything that's in me. Crystal does too. You are helping us create a life that we're proud to live, and we're proud to add value back into. Like, I just want to give everything that I have to this space, to this community, to you all, because without you, we're nothing. And I just feel very thankful, and I just want to give you everything I got. So, thank you, and we'll see you tomorrow. We're going to be shipping bricks. Good night.